So today, our mom, so she was worried about our eyes because
We were watching too much media.
yeah, and she got us some glasses.
What kind of glasses?
They block blue light.
Blue light. What is blue light?
A blue
It's
light?
something that can. It's the type of light that's harmful to your eyes.
Okay.
Let's open it.
I can do it.
This is wait, whose is it? Oh, mine.
Yours.
These are mine.
Why? Why is it yours?
Because these aren't clear.
Ah,
This is the blue light card.
blue light card.
If blue light goes onto this, it changes to a different color.
Oh,
This is the blue light thing.
Can I shine it?
I can show you. Watch this. This happens, right? But it turns purple.
These are very new. Can I have the blue torch thingy?
do you like it?
Yeah.
Is it comfortable?
Yeah.
Yeah, it does everything. Every white thing seems yellow now.
Really?
Okay, so
What? Oh, is it?
Yes, it's gone.
earlier
gone?
you saw it was purple, right?
Uh-huh.
But now nothing happened. But if you do it without, I just
Wow.
held it there for 3 seconds.
It works.
It comes with these white thingies. Wait, this isn't a white thingy. This is a white thingy.
Hey, are those the?
Try to walk with that.
Okay.
Oh wait, okay.
Walk, walk, walk.
Is it okay?
Yeah, I feel totally comfortable, and I. Where's the blue light thingy?
I thought you had it.
Okay.
I can barely see this.
You can barely see it. Let me. Ah! It's like it's reflecting it.
Yeah.
Oh, 진짜? Oh, okay.
Please like and subscribe to our channel.
Please like and subscribe to our channel. Bye.
Bye.